because there is a hesitation on advising a company on market entry because we don't have any idea of the legal systems in the countries. So how do I get it? Like there is a hesitation. I can't go and take on a client today or tomorrow and just say that I am going to tell you how to enter US because I'll hesitate because I don't know, right? They use the lack of being legally qualified there as a reason. This can sometimes be a situation like, you will say that I'm not qualified to work in the US or in Dubai, but that is not helping. At the bottom of the day, you are losing the client and the employer is not getting the thing that they want out of you. The CEO is looking for guidance on the planning and decision making, which an informed lawyer can give. And they are not looking at legal advice at the initial stage. They are not looking for how the clause in the contract is going to be drafted. Before that, they have to answer the question, should I enter this country or not? That's the advice they are looking for. Owing to lack of knowledge, you can end up giving very less input because it is not easily available. How to find it? It's difficult. CEOs obtain quotes from local consultants and select a service provider with limited understanding. These are tech guys. They have no clue. If they are not getting it from us, then they're going to go and they're going to ask for a service provider there. And the choice that they'll make will be with very less understanding on how to choose, right? And Indian legal and compliance team is not able to monitor or ensure successful outcomes. These kinds of things happen, okay, and you can face problems. It's difficult to afford a full-time foreign in-house counsel for them and even to build a trust. So a lawyers and CS could have done a much better job if they were familiar with the legal system. Just think of it, if you were aware of everything, you are up and you are telling the CEO, this is how it happens. What is the kind of image that that entrepreneur or that businessman or that CEO will carry in your mind of you? That this person is reliable, this person is resourceful, and I can get the answers that I'm looking for. Okay. Many aspects are common across multiple systems. We will come to that. Lot of standardization has taken place, but just knowing that is not sufficient. So you have to go down to the municipal level and know the local law. And the lack of that leads to one or more of the following mistakes. So what can happen if you don't know that? There can be legal violations. There can be wrong choice of entity, which drastically increases the compliance costs or tax outcomes. There can be failure to protect or enforce IP. Okay. And here there is a case of like that Supermax. I can say that I was in Ireland, so there was always this case. There's a brand called Big Mac, which actually McDonald owned, and the Supermax, which is like that local thing in Ireland, is using this, and now they fail to enforce this before the US intellectual property of sorry EU intellectual property office, because like they had failed to ensure that that thing was used or demonstrated. There was a demonstrated use of this over the 5 years. This case happened, you can check.